Hello. In this video, I'm going to talk about using gravity forms to create a ticket within Autotask. So from here, you can see I've got my WordPress site and I have my support option and then create a ticket. And what I have here is just a very simple gravity form. So let's go ahead and fill in all of this information. So in here, if I type in the name of the company and I'll type in my email address, the problem is, I'm going to call it help me now WP, and then in here I'm just going to type WordPress. Obviously the customer would type in whatever their problem is, and I click on the submit button. So here you can see it's now said thank you for contacting us, we will be in touch with you shortly. So let's go in and have a look at how we do this. So from within the back end of WordPress, what you need to do is make sure that you have gravity forms enabled. So if we click on forms, I see here I've created a support form. If I simply edit this, then here are all the fields that I need to capture. So things like company name, email, problem, etc. So whatever you put into this email field, it's going to capture that and use that as the email address to create the tickets. So you can also see at the top here, it's got a field ID of 2 and the field label is email. So what we need to do is go into settings and then click on form settings, and underneath the notifications tab here, you'll see we have the admin notifications. So if I click on edit, this is where we're going to actually send whatever has been entered into that form to an email address. And all we're simply doing here is we're sending it to our support email address. We're then picking up the name of the company that it's been sent from. And this company name :1, this was the form ID, and you can see here that we've got these curly braces, and then we've got email :2, and that's because it's picking it up from that form called email2. And we're just doing the same with the subject and the same with the message. Now, to find what any of these fields are, you can simply click the little button next to the field, and you don't even need to actually know that that says problem 4. All you need to do is click in the word problem, and you can see it pre-fills in that field. The only one it doesn't do it with is you can see there's no drop down here next to the email button, and that is because there's this big warning here that basically says using third-party email may prevent notifications from being delivered. Obviously with this, it's not really advisable to use this email address at this point, but it does work, and it gives you the ability to use the from email address that they're filling in on the form rather than the from email address on your company. So what you could do here is I just simply clicked on any one of these other drop-down lists, and here you have the word email. You can see it takes the email too, and you just fill it into that box. Okay, and that's it. And then what you would do is you update this notification, and in a few seconds we should actually get an email from the system. And if I have a look now, I can see here is an email that has been created with this ticket number, and I can see the word WordPress in there, and I can see help me now, and I can obviously see who it's been created from as well. So let's actually go and have a look at this in Autotask. So if I copy this ticket number and I simply jump into Autotask, and let's go ahead and actually click in here. What this is going to give me the ability to do is to look at this ticket, help me now, and I can see that it's actually assigned it to the right account. It's also put the information in there that I filled into the more information field, and then of course the help me now WP has been filled in as the ticket title as well. So it really is that simple to create forms that allows you to use ticketing forms within Autotask. I hope that's helped, and we'll see you on the next video.